I'm Virginia Whitfield, and we have a guest today for Be Our Guest. I'm telling you, this is a subject dear to my heart. Pam McLemore, and she is the executive director of the Montgomery Christian School. This may ring a bell with some of you because we do this every year.
Yes,
we
ma'am.
come on and talk about Art Splash because what this school is doing is it's changing the life of children. And we are so grateful for all that you all do. And let me ask you real quickly, your fundraiser is for a special reason. That's because this school is very different. How do these children go to this school?
Okay, we have 99 students, K through 5th grade. Every child is on scholarship, which is amazing. So we're really there to provide that school choice for the under-resourced. Art Splash is our one and only event. It is phenomenal. We have 38 artists. We have over 76 sponsors, and every dime that people give to Art Splash goes directly to our students and to the scholarship fund. Art Splash is April 27th.
Okay.
There are 3 different ways that you can participate. The first way is to come. So during the evening time, we have a 6:30 to 9 o'clock event over at Tom and Amy Methvin's home, 1919 Hull Street. And then we have an afternoon event from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, the garden preview event. At both of these, you can meet the artists, you get to eat wonderful food, you get to enjoy the gardens of the Methvin home. So it'll be wonderful.
It is absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
And the art there is it's wonderful.
It is.
And it's so nice to talk to the artist, you know. And we go every year. And the food is exquisite, but most of all, it's the purpose.
Yes.
It's the purpose
Absolutely.
that you educate, and not only do you educate, but you teach the Christian values. These children are blessed, and what we want to do is get our audience to get involved and help to be a blessing to these children.
Thank you.
And how about tickets, and how do we participate?
So the second way is to come. The first way is to come, and the second way really is to go to www.montgomerychristianschool.org, buy your ticket. You also can bid on the art, which is wonderful. When you go to Montgomery Christian School website, you can go ahead and go to our Art Splash website where the bidding will begin that April 27th at 6 o'clock. And you can start to bid until May 1st at 8 p.m. on the art. You can also donate to this school, which will go also directly to the scholarship fund. And again, I'm telling you, this is the best kept secret in Montgomery Christian School. You need to come by, you need to visit, and please come to Art Splash April 27th again, and come to our website and find out more information.
I love it, Pamela. I love what all of you are doing over there. And here's the real important thing. It's not just that this sounds wonderful and benevolent. The results with these children at the end of their term at Montgomery Christian, they go on to schools where they are going to not just survive, they're going to thrive and make a difference in our lives. And we thank you so much. So remember, April 27th, Art Splash. Jack and I will look forward to seeing you there, and we'll be right back.